and welcome on the behalf of Illinois Fund Technologies. I am Mohammad Safir and I am pleased to present my bank management system which is written in Python language to perform simple online bank management tasks. In this project, I have defined some of the major functions which handle the major functionality of the program and some of the ordinary functions which are used for comfortable and fun user interaction. In this program, I have only one function called in the main function and all the other functions are called in a stack manner. So yeah, only one function is called in main function. So my functions are header, intro, outro, loading, deposit cash, cash withdraw, create account, exist account, account operation and update account. As I have called only intro account in the main, so the control will flow towards the intro function. Intro function, I have asked if you had already account or you want to create a new account. If you want to create a new account, you just simply create account by providing some of the basic information. If you had already account, you can perform some of the basic information of the bank management system such as deposit cash, cash withdraw and view bank balance. Deposit cash, just deposit your cash in your bank account, and cash withdraw, just withdraw your cash. You can withdraw your cash from your bank account and it saves your data in a file of database. So let me demonstrate to you. First, I would like to create my account. Loading function, yes. Safir. My account number is 2216. Welcome Safi. As you can see, I have all the operations I can perform with my bank account. I do not have a bank account earlier. I created one. So I want to check my balance. My balance is 40,000. I have entered as far as you remember. I want to deposit a cash. Let's suppose I want to deposit 5,000. Cash deposit is successful. Press 0 to go back to previous page. So yeah, check balance. As you can see, my balance have now 45,000. So now I want to withdraw my cash. I want to withdraw, let's suppose 8,000. Cash withdrawal is successful. Press 0 to now. As you can see, 8,000 has been deducted from my account. So yeah, this program has potential to create a bank account online with some basic information and provides all the operations that can be performed by a bank holder. It enhances the availability of the bank 24/7 and all the operations can be performed anytime without any assistance and provide user-friendly and easy environment that any person can perform flawless. With that, I conclude my bank management system program. Thank you.